In today's fast-paced lab environments, where time-to-market pressures, tight budgets, and limited resources are constant challenges, maximizing testing efficiency and resource utilization is critical. Teams must collaborate and simplify test deployment and execution, enabling faster testing cycles, increased capacity, and more accurate results. TestCenter Plus is designed to tackle these challenges head-on by optimizing every aspect of the testing process. Some of the most common challenges testers face include non-intuitive test tools, leading to poor usability and longer time to test, lack of user collaboration over test cases, creating communication barriers, resulting in inefficiencies and delays, strict IT policies limiting what can be deployed in labs, difficulties in interpreting results or tracking testing progress, and ineffective utilization and management of costly test assets. TestCenter Plus provides the solution by offering a centralized, web-based platform with an intuitive user interface that simplifies configuration, collaboration, deployment, and asset management. Click, Create, Collaborate. With TestCenter Plus, you can easily deploy and use on any device with just a web browser. Turn up complex test environments in minutes rather than hours, with an intuitive interface and modern web techniques for faster time to test. Boost collaboration between team members, enhancing productivity with shared access to test cases and results, no matter where they are. Collaboration has never been easier, driving efficiency across your testing workflows. Gain actionable insights with real-time analytics and reporting. Enhanced insights ensure your test data leads to smarter decisions and faster project completion. Centralize asset management through a unified, hosted environment, giving you full control over your resources. Manage all assets from a single interface, improving visibility and resource allocation. Experience the future of testing with a platform that is built for productivity, ease of use, and powerful, actionable insights. Test smarter, test faster with TestCenter Plus.